So already shared link in different channels, our WhatsApp group, our uh, so guys, I'm doing it for the first time. So you can I don't know what. No, I need to remove that one. Okay. So here today we came for the live class and okay, Ram is saying hi. Hi Ram. Guys, I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Anyone joined can just say hi. Say hi, guys. Uh, okay. So, guys, I think two people are joined. Already shared in Telegram group and uh, WhatsApp group. So, guys, please join. And today we'll start the doubt clearing classes. So, guys, if you have any doubt, you can just put down in the comment section and uh, let's wait for some time. So guys, so let me introduce myself, guys. My name is Amit Singh and I have around 15 years of experience into IT services, IT sector. So I run this YouTube channel to educate the freshers, the people who are looking for a job change, and we mostly make videos related to the campus placement, related to the QA, and we have a team. And from today, we have just started the uh, live classes. YouTube live classes is free of cost, guys. You can ask your doubts if you have any. Else, I will explain the things. So, guys, how this channel is started? First of all, I'll just brief a little bit about it. My YouTube channel name is AJ Automation Learning. So it was started some 6 years back when I was working with Oracle. That time I was getting plenty of time, and from the beginning when I joined this IT industry, from that time only I am very much interested in learning the new stuff. So I started my career with manual testing. Soon I moved into automation, then AI, ML, cyber security, and currently uh, we are running a startup called guide2success.com. So guys, is there any option that we can add people, guys? I think 11 people are watching it. Okay, fine. So, hello, brother. Okay, so if you have any question, okay, just write down in the comment section. So today is the doubt clearing classes, or you can call it as demo classes as well. So 9 people are watching it. Thank you so much, guys. So, guys, today I'll start from the beginning. Beginning means say what is software industry, how it came in India, how you can grow yourself. Those things this is a demo class. Just I'll explain you. And what are the trending tools and technologies and trending uh, domains. Okay. So mostly, guys, we deal with in the QA automation testing. So if you'll check out our playlist, you'll find there are playlists where like we have a dedicated playlist for Selenium WebDriver. There's a dedicated playlist for interviews, mock interviews. There are dedicated playlist for freshers. Okay, so it will give a complete package. Okay, so just by going through the playlist, you will come to know like how much effort we are putting into this. Okay, so guys, meanwhile you can share the this video, okay, to your friends, so it will help them in their job search. Okay, let begins. So today I am going to start what is the structure of our training. So mostly for the QA automation, okay, we have divided or the QA automation first with the basic manual testing. So that is the thing, like we should be aware of the what is the process in testing. Then we'll move into automation. For automation we are using Selenium with Java. So we will be covering core Java first, and then we'll move into Selenium. So this course will be for 2 months, okay, and I'll try to complete within the 2 months. There will be 1 month extra grooming classes. So this grooming classes means what? This grooming classes means what? If you are done with your training, now you have started giving the interview. Then we, as you know, that we have our Telegram group in the YouTube channel, where if anyone who is new to it and who is not joined the Telegram group, please join the Telegram group. There are almost 70 students there, okay, and I'm also there. You can ask your doubts there. Any doubts, any related to anything silly doubt also, we'll try to answer it. Okay, guys. So first of all, today I'll begin with the history of IT sector, how IT sector came in India and how they are making business. Okay, so guys, IT sector mostly came, so in the beginning only, like there was research and development organization. So IT revolution was bought by Rajiv Gandhi in India. Okay, so the few companies which were pioneer were the Infosys, and they started exporting IT services. Okay, today India become the hub of IT sector. Okay, and mostly Bangalore, Hyderabad, Noida, Delhi, Pune, Kolkata. These are the cities right now. Surat is also the place where, like, there are a lot of IT companies, startup companies. Okay, so so these revolutions come. So how it is providing job? Okay, there are a lot of jobs, but uh, most of the job sector, like which provide job to the engineering students, is IT. Most of the people wants to come into IT. So those who are know nothing about IT will start from the scratch. So guys, IT sector is something where we'll be dealing with the most latest technologies. Okay, we'll be studying the recent updates, like right nowadays this AI ML and this chat GPT prompt. This is very trending. So we'll also discuss those things along with it. We'll be also using it, how we use the Dockers, how we use in the testing. We have the different processes. Like, apart from manual testing, there is like something called database testing. There's something called API testing. So uh, so we will go one by one. So this is the demo classes. Okay, or demo classes generally, I'll just give a brief idea like how we'll go ahead with this courses, guys. As already told, we'll have a 3 free demo classes, so where you can ask any question if you want to ask it. Okay, also uh, uh, you can, we'll discuss like how we'll go ahead with this training. So today I am going to discuss a very important topic, that is software development life cycle. Okay, you might heard about the like how software actually work, like how these people, what they are actually doing in software, guys. See, SDLC means software development life cycle. Okay. So it involves right from scratch till we deliver the software. So first of all, there are the different stages involved in the software development cycle. The first one is the requirement. So what is requirement? So let's say let's say that there is a bank called HDFC. Okay, already they have the website, but now they want to make a website for them. Or let's say some new bank is there apart from HDFC. There's some new bank came like Karnataka, Karnataka Gramin Bank, KGB. So for KGB, okay, they will throw a quotation, okay, that boss, we want to develop a website for our bank. So how this so how they will approach to the companies? So they will put a they will conduct a bidding where like all the software companies they will reach out there, okay, and there they will give a bidding, they'll give a bidding that boss, I have some 2000 employees, with I have already worked with the HDFC SBI, we have developed their website, okay, and we'll be doing in this much amount. And so the company, here the business analyst will go to that particular if someone if like let's say the Accenture has got the project, okay, so now the role of business analyst come, or here we call it a requirement. So business analyst will go to the client with a template. The template will have a predefined requirement, let's say for a banking domain. So you have different section. You have a login page, then you have a loan section, then you have credit card, debit card, transaction. So those things will be there. So okay, and so so based upon the client requirement, they'll come to the company, okay, their group manager, engagement manager, and they will then validate that with this particular course whether it is feasible or not. Of, let's say, suppose few things are not feasible, so again they will reach out to the company, to the client, and they'll ask, boss, with this much resources, we need more money, or we need more technology. So this is a mutual concern where like business analyst will be always interacting with the client, and he will getting a requirement from the client. Let's say there's a transaction where OTP is involved, right? So how this OTP will work, this will be valid for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or it should come to your mobile, it should not go to some other mobile. There are a lot of things in banking sector, right? Meanwhile, the other domain also like CRM, health sector. Okay, so you will get those requirement from the client using the template. Okay, once the template came, okay, so what will be doing? There will be some requirement document. Based on the requirement document, there will be a designers first. Designer, they will design the application on the high level design and low level design. High level design, I'll give an example. Let's say banking project only, okay, so there will be a loan section, okay, there will be so in loan section there will be many type of loans like education loan, home loan, car loan, like that. For transaction there will be many transaction, okay, for credit card, for debit card, there are different section. So based upon the low level design, the developers, they'll start developing the application. So they can start developing the application using the different languages like .NET, Java, JavaScript. Okay, and meanwhile, there will be a QA people who will be there will be QA people who will be validating the application. Okay. Rita Kumari Singh, big fan, sir. Thank you, Rita. Okay. So you will be validating the application. And what the QA mindset should be? QA mindset should be like that you should break the application. Okay. You should be, if you are a QA, you should have always the mindset that you should try to find bug. You should try to find a bug, and you should report it. That is the QA mindset. And to to uh, uh, to do it in a more faster way, the role of automation came. So earlier what used to happen now, people were doing manual testing, okay, so manual testing require a lot of efforts, like a lot of QA member will be required. Okay. But when automation came, so there are some test cases that are repetitive, that are the like those like regression test cases. We can automate those test cases. Okay. So for that, there are a lot of things which came in automation. So Selenium is right now. Selenium is the most popular automation tool. Okay. So we'll study what is Selenium. Okay. So you can use Selenium with the different languages like Python, Java. So mostly still now also most of the people are using Selenium with the Java. So we'll go with the Selenium with the Java only. Okay. So again, we'll come to the software development life cycle. So once the coding is done, the QA people will be they will be validating the application. They will try to find out if any error is there. If they any found their error, what they will do, they will log a defect again, and that defect will be validated by the developers again. So again, the process of bug life cycle will come, but as this is the demo classes, I'm just saying that just once it is validated, okay, QA will validate, and if it is working fine, they'll close the defect, or else they will reopen it. So this process will continue, and this process will continue in different iteration. Okay. So different iteration, so this QA process and development process go simultaneously. Then the another is deployment. So deployment, some people call this DevOps also. What they'll do, see, there will be two different servers. One server will be for QA, another server will be for dev. So first of all, whatever the developer will write the code, okay, they will push the code into Docker using. They'll be using DevOps. People will be upload it to the dev server, and again we will be doing some testing on dev server whether it is perfect to test or not. That is called as the we call it as a smoke testing. So once it is okay, then they deploy it to the QA environment, and when it come to QA environment, what we'll do, we'll do a high level testing, and that testing we call as a sanity testing, high level testing. And once the sanity is passed, then we'll go for the full regression testing. So this is all about the testing and all deployment. Then once the software is they have almost 90% of bugs are fixed, and you can deploy it to the client server. Okay. Then the what we call it, then the role of maintenance come. The role of maintenance will come. Okay. So this maintenance guide, what will do if there is any issue with the in the client side, this development maintenance team will having the team of development, QA. There will be overall team, they will provide services to the client. So guys, this is all about the software development life cycle. Okay. Now if you have any doubt, okay, or if anyone want to join, they can join. uh, okay, I think few people are seeing. Ram is seeing, Rita is seeing. Okay. Guys, do you have any question you can ask now? Like how these courses will go. So guys, mostly we'll conduct the 3 demo classes. Okay, after the 3 demo classes, uh, we'll see like who is serious and want to attend the further classes. We'll go ahead with the classes. And this is Facebook. This Priyanshu has joined it. How can we join this? So Priyanshu, I am doing it for the first time. Start a Q and start a poll. If anyone can guide me, like how I can add. I am seeing share option. Okay, more option. One second. Mm. Guys, do you find any option to join? Because I'm doing it for the first time. Let me check if I can add people. Priyansu, meanwhile, you can ask your question, okay? Meanwhile, I'm figuring out like how you can join it, okay? Because I have used Facebook Live a lot of times, but this YouTube Live I'm doing it for the first time. So uh, I think you should send request. You should send request, then I'll accept it. I think then only uh, we can start a question answer. Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm using it for first time. Okay. So we'll see. You can ask question. Okay. Later I'll see. This is the first QA session live. Okay. Priyansu, you can ask your question. Okay. In comment section, just ask the question or the question, any question. Start question answer. Mm, start, guys. I'll close it once and I'll